Suki, are you ready to see your boyfriend's present?
See what you got?
You ready to see what you got?
Yeah, this is from Logan.
This is from Logan for you.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, that's your box.
Here we go. Let's go.
Okay, let's see what's in it.
What's in there?
Oh. Oh gosh, Suk. This is so exciting. Christmas from Logan. Yes. Christmas from Logan. What did you get? Oh, your dad's going to have to help you.
Let's get this one. Let's get this one.
Which one do you want? There's too many things in that box, Suki. I think you probably have the world's best boyfriend. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. There's too many presents in this box. Oh, what's that?
What is that?
What is it, Suk? Oh no! Is it a raccoon? Suki, do you love it? Oh my goodness.
Okay,
She's got to see what else is in there.
Let's open this one. Let's open this one.
What's in that
What's
one?
in this one? What is that?
Oh, what is it?
What is it? Get it. Get it.
What is it, Suk? Suk, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh my goodness. What is it, Suk? Suki. Suki. Oh, it's an elephant. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's going back to the raccoon. Oh, she found the squeaker. Okay, let's go back to your box. What else is in your box, Suki?
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
What's that?
What is it?
What is it, Suk? Oh no, what is that, Suki? Oh, that looks special.
Pull it out. Pull it out. What is that?
Let's see.
What is that?
What is it, Suki?
What is this? What is that?
Oh no! What does it say? Oh my goodness. Suki, what is that? I think it says it. Oh my goodness, I think it says I love you. Suki. Good job of wearing it, Suk.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's this?
Oh my goodness. Oh, all your toys and your blanket. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Do you want to see what else is in the box? Do you want to see what else is in the box? Suk, let's go see what else.
What's this?
What is it?
What's that?
Oh, what's that? Yeah, help your dad open it.
Okay, that's it.
Oh my goodness. What is it, Suk? What is it? You smell Logan, don't you?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, how beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, Suki, that's beautiful. Suki, what else is in there?
Suki, look at.
There's a card with Logan. Suki.
Suki.
See? She's like, wait, I'm playing. Oh, yeah, she took her toy. Oh, yeah, that was Logan, huh? Good job. Suki, come over here. Suk. Suki, look at this. Come here. Come here. Let's do this. Go over to that. Yes, good girl. Oh, what is that? Uh-oh. Did you get treats, Suki? Did you get treats? Oh, this is too much. You have the best boyfriend, Suki Murray. Logan is wonderful. You are so lucky to have that guy. Oh, your dad's going to give you one? Let's see. See if you can do your tricks for it.
Okay, ready?
Show Logan your tricks.
Spin, spin, spin. Sit.
Yay!
Down. Up, 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 up.
Yay!
There you go. Good girl.
All right. Well, thank you, Logan. Suki absolutely loves everything. You guys are too good to her.